in the workshop to give a report about what we've seen, but we're in our first full day of spring in the Netherlands workshop, and in just that quick a time, it's already incredible. It's hard to overstate the amount of colors and the beauty you see from all the tulip fields that are around. And we do plenty of tulip fields. We'll do, in this workshop, we try to do at least one tulip excursion a day of some sort. And on this one, this is just a commercially grown field, local farmers own it, and so we get to come out here and we've got photographers all around. All the people on the trip are with us all around, and they're just doing their own thing, finding the compositions that work for them. And believe me, you may think, how many pictures can I take of a tulip? But if you're thinking that way, you're not thinking right, because there's plenty of compositions to take. There's front lighting, back lighting, side lighting, individual flowers. Again, we're in a field right now, it's probably 5 or 10 acres, and it's almost solid color. There's a few early bulbs coming out, but for the most part, this thing is solid color. So as the week goes on, I might do an update or two, but if the trip ended today, man, we've got a lot of good shots already, and we're just now getting started. So looking forward to this trip, always do. The Netherlands is a beautiful place. It's just a wonderful place to be in the spring and to see the wonders of all the tulips and the colors of all the tulips in the spring. It's just fabulous to see. One of the things I find fascinating about the Netherlands is how well the whole country is put together. The cities are clean and the rural areas and farms are spotless and well kept. It's an extremely easy country to navigate. The restaurants are wonderful, and the old architecture is always inspiring.